Yes, Hassan, 1 minute.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. It's a great pleasure for me to warmly welcome the students from my constituency, Al-Muhajirun School. You're mostly welcome by members of parliament. Al-Muhajirun is part of a group of schools known as Ansarul Sunnah, which is one of the most successful integrated community schools that have uplifted children from our neighborhood and have done very well in the exams. I also want to salute the founder, Sheikh Abdul Jir, who is a very prominent educationist. And I want to tell you, education is power. I'm only here because of education. So work hard, perform very well, and the sky is the limit. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Order. 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 You clap again and you'll be evacuated from that gallery. And I can't blame those children. It is the sergeant's office that has not told the visiting school children how they behave in parliament. So, Sergeant, you are called to order. Because those children don't know how they should behave here.